Hidden for centuries. Erased from history. A forbidden book that reveals chilling secrets about fallen angels, lost knowledge, and a catastrophic fate foretold. What was so dangerous about the Book of Enoch that it had to be buried in time, never meant to be read again? The forbidden text that shook history. Imagine a book so controversial that it was banned from the Bible, a text so shocking that it was hidden for centuries, locked away from the eyes of the public. This is the Book of Enoch, an ancient manuscript that tells of fallen angels, forbidden knowledge, and a world before the Great Flood. But why? Was it erased from history? And what terrifying secrets does it contain? Some believe it holds the key to lost ancient knowledge, while others fear it reveals a truth too dangerous to accept. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear might change everything you thought you knew about religion, history, and the origins of humanity. It tells us about. One of the most disturbing revelations in the Book of Enoch is the story of the Watchers, 200 angels who descended from heaven and took human women as their wives. This unholy union resulted in the birth of the Nephilim, giant hybrid beings with immense strength and knowledge. But it wasn't just their existence that terrified humanity. The Watchers also passed down forbidden knowledge, secrets of the stars, metallurgy, weaponry, sorcery, and the hidden mechanics of the universe. These revelations gave humanity power but also led to chaos and corruption. The idea of divine beings imparting secret knowledge is not unique to the Book of Enoch. Similar myths exist in ancient, Sumerian, Babylonian, and even Greek traditions. But could these stories be more than myth? Could they be echoes of a lost history? As the Nephilim grew in number, their influence became a curse rather than a blessing. They turned against humanity, ruling as tyrants, bringing war and destruction. Enoch, chosen by divine forces, warned of an impending catastrophe, a flood that would wipe out the corruption brought by the Watchers and their offspring. This narrative aligns closely with the biblical story of Noah's Ark, but the Book of Enoch provides additional details, describing how the Watchers were bound and cast into darkness for their crimes. Was this story just another myth, or does it hint at a real, global catastrophe that ancient civilizations tried to record? Perhaps the most mind-blowing part of the Book of Enoch is his own journey through different realms of heaven. He is guided by powerful celestial beings, including the terrifying Archangel Uriel, and shown the secrets of the cosmos. He witnesses the mechanisms of the universe, the hidden forces behind creation, and a chilling vision of the final judgment. His revelations eerily resemble modern apocalyptic beliefs and even scientific theories about space, time, and the structure of the universe. Do you know? Why was the Book of Enoch suppressed? Because with such powerful and radical ideas, it's no wonder the Book of Enoch was considered dangerous. Some scholars believe early church leaders feared that its descriptions of divine rebellion and forbidden knowledge would challenge the official religious narrative. Others argue that it simply didn't align with the doctrines they wanted to establish. But what if there was more to it? What if the real reason for its suppression was that it contained knowledge humanity wasn't meant to have? Even today, the book remains controversial, with some religious traditions still regarding it as sacred, while others dismiss it as heresy. If the Book of Enoch is more than just an ancient myth, what does it mean for us today? Could it be a missing piece of our hidden past, a record of real events long forgotten? And if so, what else is out there, waiting to be rediscovered? Perhaps the most unsettling thought is this: what if the truth was never lost at all? What if it was deliberately hidden, buried deep beneath layers of time and secrecy, waiting for only the most relentless seekers to uncover it? Maybe the real question isn't whether the truth exists, but whether we are ready to face it.